All right. Bad hair day. Glad I did not show this installation because of Duraflex is trash. Viper Style Hood. Look at the gap. I got it lined up. See, that don't line up. Look at this big old gap right here. That doesn't line up. But the money I paid for it, I'm gonna get my uses out of it. That right, let's on.
That part.
Now we installing, what type of headlights are these? Got some color changing. Some V-Land headlights. Man, it's crazy. This ain't even closed all the way. But I swear, they gonna think, people gonna think my hood is propped up. It's not.
Why would you care what others think?
Thanks a lot, eBay. It's a lot, Duraflex. Cost me an arm and a leg. I done did so many adjustments to it. I gotta change all my headlights, as promised. That's all deoxidized. I do have the SRT front bumper. I don't know if I want to put that on there. Disappointed with that fitting it. And these is pretty good. These are pretty good. So
Because everybody peeing her bush, I'm just saying.
now we're gonna install the headlights. I ain't gonna show you the process. It's gonna show you when it's done. I might show you a glimpse in here of us doing it. So get back to it.